are in this beautiful world. As you can see from the background, you probably know where I am. I am walking to my property to see how far the guys have gone. If it's windy. So yeah, that's a little bit of what I'm doing walking. If I can show you around. Blue skies. Can you hear that? Nice. Huh? I like it. Then clear the wall. They clear the land as well, and some of the rocks. And there. Huh? I know it's massive. They cleared the land. Oh. They were having fun while working. Oh. There's no air. From the land and to build the wall, and they're charging me for that, for taking my rock. I'm playing. I see. Durmiendo. Está bien.
Hola, buenos días, ¿cómo
Buenos
están?
días, bien.
Bien. Bueno, ¿cómo ven?
Bien, me gusta mucho, pero yo pienso faltan más estos, ¿no?
No, todavía no.
Ah, ok. Ah, oh, me gusta, muchas gracias. Ustedes. Yeah, it's good, but kind of bad. Not bad, but it broke my dream because I wanted to have solar. And I didn't want to see all the wires crossing the property or anything like that because the sky, it just looks nice without all the wires and the chaos. So it was a good meeting. Amazing, wonderful. Everything seemed to be I'm at the quilting studio, chatting with the owner for a bit, how to go about doing quilts, and I hope I can make progress with her instructions. And there are other students here. They all sell 100% cotton. We got everything we needed. Now we're heading back home.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want. I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. Something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want.
Just finished wrapping this art that I need to return tomorrow. And yeah, that's it for the day. Came home. I want to say thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Stay positive, think and possibilities. Bye.